Next one is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan also one of the religious festival. As you all know this festival, right, children? It's a bond love with brothers and sisters. Usually the sister will tie Rakhi to her brother wrist, and the brothers will give gift for the his sisters. Oh, this is called Raksha Bandhan. And next festival is Harvest Festival. Harvest festivals are celebrated when crops become ripe and farmers rejoice it. In this, let's see which are the harvest festivals. The first one is Onam. This festival, only the Kerala state people will celebrate this festival, and beautiful rangolis are made with flowers in the houses, and they will prepare delicious food. In that, payasam is very they will like to prepare the payasam dish, and they will hold this snake boat race on this particular festivals. So this is a way the Kerala state people will celebrate Onam festival. Next one is Pongal. This particular Pongal festival, only the Tamil Nadu people will celebrate this festival. They will celebrate 4 days this festival. How many days they will celebrate? 4 days they will celebrate. On this particular festival, the people worship cow and sun. The Pongal, they will prepare sweet rice dish. The sweet dish will call Pongal. Understood? Only this Tamil Nadu people will celebrate this Pongal festival. And next one, Bihu. Bihu also one of the harvest festival. This particular festival will celebrate only Assam people. They will enjoy with the family members and friends, and they will do folk dance on this particular festival day. Next one are national festivals. Let's see which are the national festivals. National festivals are celebrated by all the people of India. Which are the national festivals? Republic Day. Children, you know when we will celebrate this Republic Day, and Jan 26th we will celebrate this Republic Day. In our school also we will celebrate this Republic Day. Jan 26th we will celebrate this Republic Day. What they will do on this particular day? They will do beautiful parade is held on Rajpath in Delhi. When they will hold this beautiful parade in Rajpath, Delhi. And next one is Independence Day. Independence Day, when we will celebrate this Independence Day? In August 15th we will celebrate this Independence Day. Why we will celebrate this Independence Day, children? Our country become free on 15th August 1947. So this is the reason we will celebrate Independence Day on August 15th. What we will do on this day? Usually the Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Red Fort, where he will host the flag in Red Fort. It's in Delhi. Next one, Gandhi Jayanti. October 2nd we will celebrate this Gandhi Jayanti, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. When Mahatma Gandhi's birthday? October 2nd. So every year we will celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd. Next, apart from this harvest festival, national festivals and religious festival, we'll celebrate some special days also. Which are the special days we'll celebrate? We'll celebrate World Water Day. When we will celebrate this World Water Day, the 22nd March we'll celebrate this World Water Day. And 7th April we'll celebrate World Health Day. And Earth Day. Earth Day, when we will celebrate this Earth Day? April 22nd we'll celebrate this Earth Day. And World Environment Day. 5th June we'll celebrate this World Environment Day. And Yoga Day, when we will celebrate this Yoga Day? 21st June. As you all know, right, in our school also we'll celebrate this Yoga Day. So these are the special days we are celebrating. In our school also we'll celebrate these special days. Have you all understood the lesson, children?